Hi you guys, what's up? This is Cece's Adventure again. Welcome back to my channel. On to this video guys. Alam niyo na, mag-unboxing na naman tayo. So exciting. I ordered something online from, where is it? Unlimited Brands. This is the one. Unlimited Brands. I actually opened it, but I haven't seen it. So let's open it up. So this is siya guys. Let's see. So this is from Bodyworks. Ayan, online shop. So ayan guys, the first thing that we are going to open, walaan nyo. So the reason why I bought this one guys, these are from wait lang. These are from Bath & Body Works. So, I haven't seen, hindi ko nakikita na may mga physical store sila dito sa Germany. So, I searched online. Luckily, meron naman, pero wala dito sa amin. Medyo, ano siya, malayo. Pero still part of Germany. So, the reason why I bought this one, guys, because I want to have, because I usually use a perfume. So, if you go out with friends or not with friends, like it's just not normal days, you don't have to use perfume, right? But that's why I am getting this body spray, so I can just spray it every time I like. So my everyday ginagamit ko for ano, yung before ko to nabili, ito yung Clinic Happy. So I love this one because it's like a floral smells. And it's only light. So, hindi siya masyadong, pero perfume siya, guys. Pero, hindi siya masyadong Chanel at saka Dior. Yung pang ano talaga, pang party na, ano ba yun? Pang party na amoy. O, diba? Balik natin. So, the first thing we are going to open. Ito yung unang, guys. Nakakita ko sa inyo. So, this one. The YT and Sage or Sage. I don't know how to spell it. This is only a fragrance mist, like a body mist. You can spray it. Let's figure it out. So this is the first time I have this kind of, I already have before. Meron ako before na Bath & Body Works, pero hindi ko pa to siya na-try. So, try ko lang siya. So actually, it's a taste, or not taste. It's a smell of a tea, and it's like a wood thingy, but it's calm and soothing with a little bit of citrusy and a light floral in it. Actually, gusto ko siya. Kasi ano lang siya, light lang siya na ano. So, ayan, if you want to purchase. Ayan yung name. So, next natin. So, I guess I keep this. Because, let's see if meron akong hindi nagugustuhan, ibigay ko na lang sa mama, sa mother-in-law ko. And the next one is Japanese Cherry Blossom. Diba? Japanese Cherry Blossom, guys. This is also a floral scent of cherry blossom, like petals. Let's. Mabango siya, pero hindi ko siya type na it's not for me. I guess ibigay ko to sa mama niya, mama ni Chris. So ano siya, medyo pagka cherry blossom talaga yung amoy niya. Pero parang pang ano siya, hindi siya, parang pang matanda na parang pang matanda na ano, perfume guys. Ay, body mist spray. So the next one is, so I actually bought 5 or 4. Let's see. The next one will be this one, the watermelon lemonade. So from the name itself, diba? Very citrusy siya. So, these flavors, guys, are kaka-order ko lang, kaka-try ko lang sa kanila. Since I have Bath & Body Works before also. But the other scents. Oh, gusto ko siya. Ang tamis niya. Wait. Gusto ko siya. So, actually, sa first try mo, parang siyang smells like watermelon. But siyang ano din, first try watermelon, pero lemonade. Pag matagal na siya sa skin mo, parang siyang taste na lemonade. Gusto ko siya. Matamis lang nga siya. This is very sweet smell. Floral and fruity smell also. I mean, fruity fragrance. Hala, 4 lang pala. Ayan na siya. Last na to, guys. So, 4 lang pala yung nabili ko online. Guys, itong last na to, inspired ko to siya sa one of the artists na nakita ko na nagamit ng Bath and Bodyworks. So, I'm not into Bath and Bodyworks, pero gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. Look, may papakita muna ako sa inyo. Before, I have this, nakita ko kasi siya sa airport. Kasi naano ko siya sa friend ko, meron siyang Bath and Bodyworks before sa Philippines. So, na-try ko, ang bango niya, parang yung lotion, parang perfume na din. Ito yung nabili ko sa airport last time. O, diba, may price pa. 1,000. 1,000, lang siya, 236 ml. So, nabili ko siya dati sa airport. Ang niya is In the Stars body lotion. Ang bango niya, actually. Ito yung ginagamit ko pag, gala ako, rarampa ako. Tapos, hindi ko siya i-body lotion, ha. Ito lang ginagamit ko for hand lotion lang. Kasi ang bango talaga niya. No need for you to put a perfume. Pwede lang ito nang gamitin. So, ayan na. Let's proceed to the last one. So, the last one, guys, is Dahlia. So, I saw this in JESSY Mendola. This is inspired by JESSY Mendola. So, na-entrega talaga ako na magbili nito. Kasi, sabi daw, this is her favorite fragrance scent sa Bath and Body Works. So, ayan na nga. Let's try what's inside. I mean, how does it smell? Dito na nga lang. Sa kabila. Oh, very, very sweet. It's made of, it has an essential oils inside, guys. This is a fine fragrance with a floral, a dazzling floral. So, very juicy siya. Hindi ko ma-explain. Ang bango niya, very juicy and floral smell yung scent niya. I love this. So, this is my first choice for the Bath and Body Works scents that I ordered. And then the second one will be the White Anti-Sage. This one. Because lang talaga siya, very calm and soothing siya sa pangamoy. Tapos, the Watermelon and Lemonade. Ito yung citrusy yung smell niya. Tapos, the last one is, the last that I like, is the Japanese Cherry Blossom. So, ito na lang yung ibibigay ko sa mama ni Christoph. Oh, ito yung ko, ibigay ko sa kanya. Kasi para siyang pang matanda na smell, pero mabango siya, pero it's not for me, diba? So, these are all the fragrance that I bought from Bath and Body Works, guys. So, next time, itatry natin ko yung ibang scent nila. Na lang ako sa scent, kasi ang gaganda ng name, diba? White Tea Sage, Watermelon Lemonade, Dahlia. So, ayan lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like. And don't forget to share my video. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated in my next video or my latest video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye for now.